Adding video files. Incorporating video into your courses stimulates interest and motivates learners. You can insert a video asset into your course page by clicking on the Video button in the Assets menu. Always save your work. To import a video, click on the asset. This opens the Edit menu. Add the URL of the video file into the text box in the Edit menu. Then click on the Add Video button underneath the text box. The video and video player now appears on the page. You can resize the video by clicking on the Resize options in the Edit menu. You can add a caption beneath the video player by clicking on the Caption button in the Options menu. Enter the caption into the text box and click Apply. To remove the caption, click Remove. The video player displays the duration of the video next to the Play button. You can adjust the audio volume by clicking on the volume icon on the right-hand side of the player. You can play the video in Edit or in Preview mode. To preview the page with the video, click on the Preview tab in the Page Editor. This concludes the video tutorial on adding video to a course page.